Hi everybody and welcome back to another episode of Chairs on a Budget. Today I'll show you guys how I installed these passion twists, but before I do that, please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the notifications button and let's get started. So I'm kind of like into like crochet styles and braid styles now. I don't know what happened to me when I was in Jamaica because I'm usually not the type of person that will opt for braids or anything with synthetic hair. I am not that girl, but apparently I am. So after I had the boho locks, I took them out and I was like, okay, but what am I gonna do next? I wasn't really feeling any of my wigs. I wasn't really inspired by any of them. And I went on the interweb, aka YouTube and Instagram, and I found these passion twists. The originator of the style is Boho Babe, if I'm saying that correctly. I will put her video on how to do them in the description box below. I will show you guys in a second how I do them, but first I will show you what products I have used. I bought this hair. It's Ivory Collection Water Wave hair in the length 22. The colors that I've used, I originally started with just number 4 mixed with 27. But the 24 was a little too light for my own hair. I will show you guys a little clip. As you can see close up, it's really a different color and it was really bothering me. So I took those out and replaced those braids with the color number 2, which work way better for me. I don't know if you can see it. It blends way better than the number 4, and it also works with the 27 I have at the bottom. Before I get into this very short tutorial, share my experience with you guys. I really like this style. I'm getting used to it more and more. In the beginning it was kind of flat, but I just used 6 packs. Now I have 9 packs in my hair, which is a lot, but I kind of like fuller, bigger hair. So if you like full and big hair, you should go for like 8 to 9 packs. If you like it a little less full, you can use 6. I think even 5 would be enough. I kind of like this style. What are the cons of this hair? Well, I have type 4 hair, 4B, 4C hair, and this hair is fairly straight. So on top, especially with twists, it doesn't matter what type of twist you do, my hair kind of sticks out and I don't really like that. And because of that, I have ordered spring twist hair because it's kind of more frizzier, it's a little bit more coilier, and I think that will blend way better with my hair as it does now. I will definitely do a video on spring twist as soon as my hair arrives because I don't know why, but I can't find this hair in any store. So I've ordered it from AliExpress, but as soon as that comes in, I will do a review and tutorial on how I do that hair. So enough talking because I've been rambling. I will show you guys very quickly how I do the start of my braid and my twist, what products I use, and yeah, enjoy. To moisturize my hair, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. To tame my 4C ends, I'm using Quicksilver from Wet One Wax. And to protect my ends, I'm using Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And to smooth out the ends of the twist, I'm using the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil Gel. This is the amount of the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner that I am using per twist. And this is how much I use of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I use this to protect my ends because in a twist style, this 4C hair kind of pops out. And now on preparation of the hair. For the spring twist, you kind of want to fluff them out. You start at the bottom of the hair, you kind of separate it where you can, and then you work your way up. And this is the end result of what it looks like when you have fluffed the hair out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and start braiding. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm basically just starting with a regular braid. You have the options to do it with a rubber band or twist from the root. Rubber band is just not for me because my hair will break off crisply, let me tell you. And the starting with a twist is also not for me because I just do not know how to do it. But I just start off with just braiding a couple of times. Then I'm adding the wax, especially for me and my 4C hair. I will show you in a second how important it is for really to wax it down because of the different in texture of my hair and the crochet hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys. You can see this is my hair and that is the braiding hair. A big difference. So I really need to smooth it out. Eventually your hair is gonna stick out due to wear and tear. But with this wax, really putting it in there, you can really help for the at least first week have a little more of a smooth and polished look and have everything blend correctly. So after the braid, I just twist it up and I do the twist method. I don't know if that understand, but you kind of like twist the hair and then you twist it up on itself and you keep on smoothing out. So you can see smooth out braid. And now I'm just gonna go and continue twisting. So this is the technique that everybody is doing. You pull the hair up, that gives it that boho look, and then you keep on twisting. And then it get that crinkly look everybody is going for. So I'm almost at the end, and at the end of the braid, you use the gel to smooth out the curl. I really have to stress that doing this is really important because that curl is what gives it that passion twist boho type of vibe. And this is what the braid looks like all done. Okay, I also taped for you guys the same technique, but this time from the top. So as you can see, I'm splitting the hair ready for braiding, and I'm braiding a couple of times. And after I've done braiding, I put on the wax and I start twisting. Like I said previously, I twist, so twist the hair on itself and then twist the two pieces together to make a twist. So that was the end of the tutorial on how I did the passion twist. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box below. And that's that. So don't forget to like, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notifications button because the spring twist video is coming very soon and you do not want to miss that. And that's that. Thanks for watching. Bye.